Hey viewers, recently I have read a book named Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. The book deals with a really very important topic of the day, and that is to learn how to showcase your skill so you gain confidence and go ahead getting recognized and appreciated, which will further your curiosity and motivation to proceed further. The current generation is all about showcasing any skill that you have. We all have ideas that can transform our lives, but we lack the understanding of paths that can lead to share with others. So let's get this video started. The first point that I have here is that you don't have to be a genius to start. Many of us have great ideas, but we often lack the courage to take a start because we think that we are not good enough and what people will think about us. Remember, if you don't start sharing, you are never going to get there and get the success. Point is to think process, not product. It is quite human nature to be goal oriented. No sooner we start thinking about results than we just start doing something. But the real trick and secret is not to think about destination, instead the ways of process. Doing this will ensure to get to the destination and gain the success. The third point the writer says is that share something small every day. Many who are beginners soon lose the inner motivation when they start comparing themselves to someone who is in that field for a long time. They will often say, I'm not getting views, I'm not getting likes, people are not following or subscribing to my channel. Remember, you can't and you should not judge yourself until you have given a long time with consistent effort with further time to time introspection. The next tip that the writer shares with us is that open up your cabinet of curiosities. In any field, as a beginner, you need a lot of patience, self discipline, and most importantly, time to time upgradation. For all this, it is very important that you are curious. The next tip is don't turn into human spam. Many people who are beginners fall into this wrong trap. They start kind of spamming to family members and friends. Please like my video, please share with others, please comment. Come in this category. While this is true that initial support comes from them, but at the same time, we should remember that there is a narrow gap between asking for help and spamming them. Viewers are very smart nowadays. They will do this when they feel that you deserve this. So stop spamming them. The next and last point is to stick around. As I have said earlier, the main issue with the current generation is that they are really impatient. Being impatient is really the worst threat to your success. Remember, great things do take time. Be patient and be consistent. Now, to summarize what we have learned today, first point was you don't have to be a genius to start. 2. Think process, not product. 3. Share something small every day. 4. Open up your cabinet of curiosities. 5. Don't turn into human spam. And the last, stick around. Now, sticking to these crucial points will surely help you to improve over time to be successful. If you really like the summary, then please go ahead to buy the book with the Amazon link in the description. Also, don't forget to hit like the video and subscribe. Thank you.